Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need guest editions and sufficient video memory. Install guest editions now if you haven't. Once done, make sure the VM is shut down, then open Virtualbox Manager and start the VM normally. While the VM boots, check the VM settings. Assign at least 1 GB video memory, enable 3D acceleration, and confirm the display controller is VBox VGA or VMS VGA depending on the guest. These steps ensure the guest can scale to full screen without graphical errors. With guest editions active, press the host key plus F to switch into full screen mode. The host key is usually the right control. If the guest resolution doesn't match your monitor, open the Virtualbox menu. View and click Auto Resize Guest Display to force the guest to match the host. If the display still looks wrong, restart the guest's display server or sign out and back in. Doing that forces the VM to detect the new resolution and apply full screen scaling. When you finish, confirm the guest is truly full screen and Windows scale correctly. If you see black bars or wrong aspect ratio, switch to scale mode from the View menu or manually set the guest resolution to match your monitor's 16:9 ratio. Make sure Guest Editions version matches your Virtualbox version. If not, reinstall Guest Editions inside the guest. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the guest after reinstalling Guest Editions to ensure driver's load and full screen functionality returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.